I'm going to teach you how to hack any webcam you want. So you don't need coding, you don't need VPN, you don't need anything. All these methods rely on Google. So only thing I'm going to need is your web browser and stable internet connection. So this is legal. It's not illegal. What I'm going to teach you is legal. You can do it. If you don't want to do it, you can choose not to do it. So what you want to do is tap on the address bar and paste this line. This is the only line you need, intitle. Okay, so let me explain it. It means that you are searching the whole entire web for webcamXP. Yeah, that's the webcam. Companies use webcamXP. If you have other webcam providers, you can search for it. And in URL, I'm also searching for a particular port where we can view it, and this is the best. 8080 is the best. So after I've copied this line, I've pasted it in our address bar. I click on search. Okay, so here you see many. It's only webcam XP. Yes, as you can see, because we are only searching for webcam XP, nothing else. So you click on any of them. See, you can see the IP addresses here. So you choose any of them. Let's say I want to go for this. Okay, so this is someone's. I don't even know what this is. Well, it's something. Let me search for something I will understand. So this one is only having one source. Let's go back. Let me click on. So you click on any of them. I'm going to click the first one. Okay, so as you can see, it has taken me to a webcam where it's live. You see, people are moving. You can see that they are moving. You can see everything. Yeah, so if you want to change the sources, you move to the source, you click on it, you change it to any source you want. This one has 9 sources. Others are different. Some have 1, some have 3. You choose the source you want. It's gonna switch. As you can see, is going to you can zoom. Okay, so this source won't really give us much any information. Yeah, so technically this is how you get into webcams legally, not illegally. If you also want to get into webcams illegally, you need Kali Linux. Yeah, so a video for Kali Linux will be uploaded later on in life. I repeat, later on in life, not right now. Yeah, so I hope you like it. I hope you try it to impress your friends, and that's it for this video. Subscribe.